Volvo XC90. Story with this RT screen navigation. How to start? It was going out normally, everything shows maps, everything, but after one day using, it's stuck, goes out and says insert CD disk, and in black screen, and you turn off car, lock car, and he always stays like that. And I have read it's some service bulletin which must update software, but now I have no possibility to update software, and maybe it helps. So what I have done, it is under driver seat is this navigation unit, like disc reader, I don't know what is it. So, and I disconnect this one and screens goes in, but radio is not working. To make radio working, must use like this short to put it here. I bought this one, inserted, and radio is wake up. Radio working, everything working. This one is no need, no battery draining, nothing. So this is optic cable. So if you have problems like that, you can try it like this, maybe it helps. Volvo XC90. Battery drain problem, not go inside screen monitor.